Good morning, Sunnyside. It's a perfect day for adventures. Look at him. He is so happy today.
Promise you won't tell anyone, buddy. But I think the wildflowers whisper secrets too. It's getting cold. Look what it's doing to the flowers. We have to do something, buddy.
Lily, sweetie, come here!
We need to get inside now!
But what about Buddy?
He'll be okay, honey. We have to run!
Look at this! The little hero thinks it can stop the night!
How quaint. You should run home before the darkness swallows you too. Let go of this town, you overgrown shadow!
You are nothing but a nuisance, little dog.
Buddy, I'm coming to help you. All right, take it, but please be careful out there. Don't worry, I got it. Buddy, it's okay. Go away, night monster. Hurry, buddy, this way. We're almost there. Keep going.
Don't be afraid! Look, the lights are working!
We're here for you, Lily. We won't let it win.
We need a stronger light source. This should hold them back.
You can do it, buddy! Bring him into the light!
It's working! Keep going, buddy!
It's a brand new day. I can already smell.
You did it, buddy! You saved the whole town! Oh, buddy, you're finally home! I missed you so much!
You showed us that courage and love can defeat darkness.
Thank you so much, buddy. You really saved us. What a brave little hero. We are all so proud of you. We're off on an adventure, just you and me. The bravest team that there ever could be. We learned that unity and hope create immense strength. Kindness and bravery always find a way.
I got it, Lily!
Wait, do you hear that?
What's wrong, buddy? Is it the town?
Being a hero isn't about how big you are. It's about how much you care.
Your story will be a legend, buddy. A reminder that light and courage always conquer darkness.
It's quiet now. I wonder what today will bring.
Buddy! Oh, buddy! You're okay? Oh, buddy. I missed you so much. I'll always find you, Lily. It's gone.
You brave little one. You saved us all.
Thank you, buddy. Look, buddy. The dew is sparkling on the flowers. It's such a beautiful morning.
Yeah, I love Sunnyside in the morning.
Wow, Lily, look at all these flowers. The scent is amazing.
They are beautiful, buddy. Let's keep exploring.
What are you thinking about?
Just how perfect this moment is. Our secret spot.
Look, buddy, the lantern from our last adventure. We have to go back soon. I'm not scared anymore, boy. We'll find him.
Wherever you go, I'm right behind you.
Buddy was so brave.
I never thought we'd see the sun again.
Everything looks peaceful tonight, but I'll be watching over you, Sunnyside.
It smells amazing up here. I love this view.
Ready, buddy. Go get it.
Yay, you got the ball. Good boy.
Ready, buddy. The future is ours. Go fetch.
My courageous little light, guiding me through the dark.
It feels like a new beginning.
Yes, buddy? You want attention?
Just making sure everyone's safe in Sunnyside.
Sleep tight, my brave girl. Good morning, buddy. Ready to play? Go get the ball, buddy.
Morning, buddy.
He got me.
It takes courage to face the darkness, but even more to find the light again.
And then the brave little dog barked at the shadows.
Another dawn, another chance to watch over the ones I love. The world is waking up.
Isn't the sunrise beautiful, buddy? What a perfect day!
Isn't it a beautiful day? Being here in the heart of Sunnyside always makes my tail wag.
trying, buddy.
Good night, Sunnyside. We're safe now.
Pointless.
Light. Light.
Buddy, oh, buddy.
It's gonna be all right, honey.
Mommy, I have to help Buddy. He's scared. Okay, honey. Be careful, my darling. What is that? Buddy, over here! Quick, Lily, help me make this brighter.
What is that sound? Is that Buddy? Look, light.
No. Hold the light.
Don't be afraid. We are united now.
Cannot endure.
The town is safe now. We did it!
Buddy! You did it! You saved us all! You're the bravest dog ever! Thank you, Buddy!
You're our hero.
Little dog.
He is the bravest soul in Sunnyside. He has shown us that courage comes not from size, but from the heart.
Look! It's Buddy! I'm gonna be brave like him! It's okay, Buddy. I'm right here. We can do this together. You're my best friend, Buddy. Always.
Hello, buddy.
Good boy. Good boy.
And the brave knight realized that the dragon was just lonely. Courage isn't about not being afraid. It's about doing it anyway. Catch them, Buddy! Catch the blue ones!
I'm trying, but they keep flying away.
That's a wonderful picture, Lily. Buddy looks so brave.
Look inside, and you'll find the courage you need. We'll get through this together.
I see you, little one. Show yourself. We won't let you hurt anyone.
Not this time, Buddy. Stay with Lily.
Here's a piece just for you.
Oh boy, thank you. That smells amazing.
Halt. Clear the area. Return to rest mode.
Good morning. Hi, buddy. Are you ready for breakfast? Achoo! Choo! Bless you, sweetie.
More toast?
What's that smell, Lily? Smells like adventure.
Look, buddy, over there. Let's go.
We made it, Lily. The journey was long, but we're finally here.
It's beautiful, buddy. We did it together.
A flea's bite. Light. It fears light.
Buddy, please be okay.
Come away from the window, sweetie. It's not safe. But Buddy is out there.
You cannot escape the darkness, little one.
I'm not afraid of you.
Nowhere left to run, little dog. Your end is here.
No. I have to help Buddy. Be careful, Lily. Go quickly. Go quickly. Buddy. Over here! Get away from him! Leave Buddy alone!
Look! It's Buddy!
He's fighting the shadow. We can't just hide. We need to help.
Keep the lights high! It's working!
Don't be afraid. We can beat this thing together.
Are you afraid of the dark, night monster?
Yes! Run while you still can, foolish dog.
Look, Buddy! The sun is finally here!
It's gone. The darkness is really gone.
Buddy! You did it! You saved us!
Thank you, buddy. Our hero.
Little one, he is a true hero. He showed us that even the smallest among us can possess the greatest courage.
You're the bestest friend ever, Buddy! Look! It's Buddy! He was so brave! I told you it would be okay, Buddy. The fields are beautiful at sunset. They really are, Lily. I'm glad we came.
We were so scared, but together.
A little light made all the difference.
Everything is finally peaceful again.
It feels just like hope, Lily.
Another beautiful day in Sunnyside. Don't worry, I'm on duty.
Go get it, Buddy!
Home.
And then the little golden retriever dog stood against the giant shadow monster.
Wow! My brave girl and her brave friend.
Don't worry, I'm on duty.
Isn't that the most beautiful sunset, buddy? I wish it could last forever. Whew!
It's been a long time since I've been this close. But I'm ready now.
It looks like we made it through. Sunnyside is safe.
Buddy, buddy. Oh, buddy, you're okay.
Look at the sky, it's clearing up.
I've never seen it so bright.
We made it through.
You did it, little one. You saved us all. You are a true hero of Sunnyside.
Oh, thank you, little hero.
We appreciate what you did for us.
He really is amazing.
You were so brave. We're almost home, buddy.
We did it, buddy. We were brave.
Can you believe it? Buddy.
Buddy. Woof, woof. I'm Buddy.
Ah, this is the life. Nothing beats a sunny afternoon nap.
It's a busy day in town. Good thing I'm on watch. Faster, gotta go faster. Wait for me, I'm coming.
Here's the largest loaf we've baked yet.
Thank you kindly.
The festival plans look wonderful if we set the stage right here. To Buddy, our brave hero.
And so, the little Labrador Retriever dog, with a heart full of courage, faced the darkness.
Look at those colors. I wonder what today will bring.
Good morning, Buddy.
A faint smell, almost like smoke and old leaves. It was big, but
It was huge, bigger than the windmill.
But then it just left. We scared it away.
never thought I'd see the day.
Go get the stick, Buddy. Oh, you are such a good boy. buddy. Settle down.
The darkness is gone. The light remains with us.
Wow, look at that! It's gonna be a beautiful day. I wonder what we'll do.
Morning, my brave boy. Best garden ever. Time to roll.
I told you it would fit perfectly in your kitchen.
You were right, my friend. It's magnificent. And the glaze is stunning.
I love walking here with you, buddy. Me too, Lily. It's the best part of the day.